Okay, this is part 3. I did get another transfer in the mail. I think I put it in the closet. So let me trying to do this one-handed. Okay, let me open this real quick. Okay, this is what was in the envelope. Surf and sand. Cool. And this is probably another surface. Oh, nice. Okay, so I'll chalk something really nice onto this. This is actually pretty big, you see. So I could put something, you know, I could put like, but you cut these and you make something really nice with the colors. So that's that for that, and then let me look at the other thing I got in the mail. Okay, so
we get one to be there.
That's my cat Cece.
To the drunken disorderly call.
Where's Johnny? There he is. There's little John John. Okay, now I got another transfer in the mail in an envelope like this the other day. Where did I put that? I'm gonna find it. Okay, I found it. This is a little I think it's a porcupine. Something like that. Little animal.
I talked to Ali last night.
And I got this in the thing there.
On our way to work at least twice a week. We're grand.
So that's cute. I got all these other. Whew. All right.